Galaxy Buds failing to power on can stem from several common issues. The main causes include hardware problems like dead batteries or damaged components, software glitches that prevent proper boot up, and simple user errors in how the buds are handled. Hardware problems are one of the most common reasons. A dead battery or physical damage to the components can prevent the buds from turning on. Software glitches can also cause this issue. If the firmware is corrupted or there's a bug in the boot process, the buds won't start up properly. Sometimes it's just user error. Incorrect charging, pairing issues, or improper handling can make it seem like the buds won't turn on. In the following sections, we'll explore each cause in detail and provide effective solutions to get your Galaxy Buds working again. First, ensure your buds are properly seated in the charging case and connected to power. Let them charge for at least 30 minutes. Next, perform a manual reset. Open the case, remove the buds, and press and hold both touchpads for 7 to 10 seconds until the LED flashes. This often resolves minor software hiccups. Current models feature faster charging and improved power management. Outdated firmware can cause boot loops that prevent your Galaxy Buds from turning on. To fix this, open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone and check for available updates. Samsung regularly releases updates that optimize power management and fix software bugs. A firmware mismatch between your buds and phone, especially with newer models like the Galaxy S24 series, can cause connection problems. The Galaxy Wearable app includes built-in diagnostics to help identify and resolve these issues. AI-assisted troubleshooting features in the app are continuously improving, reducing reported issues by 30%. When troubleshooting Galaxy Buds that won't turn on, it's important to inspect the hardware for physical issues. Start by examining the charging contacts on both the earbuds and the charging case. These small metal contacts can become corroded or covered with debris, preventing proper electrical connection. Corrosion or debris on these contacts can block the charging process. To clean them, gently wipe with a soft cloth or use isopropyl alcohol. Be careful not to use abrasive materials that could damage the contacts further. Physical damage from drops or impacts can also cause internal hardware failures. Even if the earbuds look fine externally, internal components may be damaged. Current Galaxy Buds models feature improved IPX7 water resistance to better protect against moisture-related damage. If you find corrosion, debris, or signs of physical damage during your hardware inspection, cleaning the contacts may resolve the issue. Otherwise, these problems may require professional repair or replacement. If basic troubleshooting steps fail, the battery may be the underlying issue. Lithium-ion batteries in Galaxy Buds can degrade over time, especially if they've been deeply discharged or exposed to extreme temperatures. The latest firmware updates from Samsung include enhanced battery diagnostics. These advanced tools run automatically when you connect the buds to the Galaxy Wearable app, checking the battery's internal resistance and capacity. Battery diagnostics can identify if the battery has degraded below a functional threshold, typically around 10 to 15% of original capacity. This prevents the buds from appearing dead when they're actually in a protective low-power state. If the diagnostics indicate a battery problem, contact Samsung support immediately. This is especially important if your buds are still under warranty, as Samsung may provide free replacement or repair services. Keep in mind that older models, like the Galaxy Buds Plus, are particularly prone to battery drain due to outdated software that doesn't optimize power consumption as effectively as newer firmware. Samsung is extending support for select older devices until 2028, providing firmware updates and diagnostic tools even for models released several years ago. Let's examine some real-world examples of how Samsung resolves Galaxy Buds issues. First, consider the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro case, where a firmware update failure caused the buds to stop working completely. The problem occurred after a failed update that bricked the earbuds. Samsung responded with an over-the-air patch that recalibrated the battery sensor, successfully restoring functionality to affected devices. Another example involves Galaxy Buds Plus units experiencing moisture damage from water ingress, particularly in humid environments. Samsung addressed this through a recall program, providing free replacements and upgrading new models with improved IPX5 water resistance ratings. These cases illustrate the variety of solutions available, from software fixes to hardware improvements. To prevent future issues with your Galaxy Buds not turning on, start by keeping them clean and dry. Wipe away any moisture or debris that could cause corrosion on the charging contacts or damage internal components. Always store your buds in their charging case when not in use. This protects them from dust, impacts, and maintains battery charge, preventing the low power state that can make them appear not. Check for firmware updates regularly through the Galaxy Wearable app. Updates often include battery optimizations and bug fixes that prevent power issues and improve overall reliability. Avoid exposing your Galaxy Buds to extreme temperatures, whether hot or cold. Temperature extremes can degrade the lithium-ion battery and cause the buds to enter protective shutdown modes. User education is crucial. As demonstrated in enterprise deployments where Galaxy Buds are issued to employees, providing training on proper charging and maintenance practices significantly reduced power-related incidents to near zero. The future of wireless earbuds brings exciting advancements focused on AI and sustainable design. These innovations promise to make earbuds more reliable and environmentally friendly. AI-driven diagnostics will identify and fix potential issues before they cause problems, using smart algorithms to monitor battery health and connection stability. Modular designs will allow users to easily replace batteries and sensors themselves, extending the life of earbuds and reducing electronic waste. Upcoming models will feature solid-state batteries that last much longer and are more resistant to failure, providing consistent power for extended use. Wireless charging standards like Qi2 will eliminate the need for physical charging contacts, preventing wear and tear that can cause power issues. Sustainable designs emphasize user-replaceable components, making repairs simple and promoting a circular economy for electronics. By 2027, AI diagnostics could reduce support tickets by half. By 2030, experts predict a 40% decline in not turning on complaints, thanks to these sustainable and intelligent designs.